put two of our spelling rules cards up here, number 46 and number 47, to help you understand the shun versus jun rule, when to use T-I-O-N and when to use S-I-O-N. Now, these rules are available as a pack. If you haven't got them or you haven't seen them, you can order them online and we'll send them out to you. So if we use S-I-O-N for the shun sound, it's after a short vowel. So you could in fact go through all of these words and highlight the short vowel before the shun sound. So we've got mission, omission, remission, permission, ession, obsession, possession, succession, discussion, and expansion. So then get another colour highlighter and go through and highlight that S-I-O-N for the shun sound in these words. Now, S-I-O-N at the end of a word can also make the jun sound. But that is, if you hear jun at the end of a word, you know you're going to write S-I-O-N. So listen to what you hear. And we also use S-I-O-N after a voice consonant such as D or T. So divide or decide would go to division, decision. So you can hear that jun sound in there. Now, if you would like to also go through and highlight other short vowels and the double consonant after a short vowel, remember that two consonants after a short vowel may be the same, or you may have two different consonants. This one here is actually going to split between the B and the S. It could be because of the prefix, or it could be because there's two consonants. So sometimes there can be more than one reason. Now let's go through and talk about what each of these words mean. So omission is an important assignment to complete. An omission is failing to fulfill an obligation or leaving out or excluding something or someone. A remission is cancelling a debt or charge or a penalty, and it can also be a temporary lessening of severity of pain or disease. Now, permission is officially allowing someone to do something. A session is a meeting to do business, or a period during which an official body meets to do business. Obsession is when an idea or thought continually preoccupies a person's mind. A possession is having or owning something. Succession means the process of inheriting a title or a property, and it can be a number of people or things of a similar kind following one after another. A discussion is talking or exchanging ideas with others to reach a decision, and expansion means the action of becoming larger. In these words, the S-I-O-N is making the shun sound, and we've got an explanation here for you. Use S-I-O-N after an open short vowel. Double the S to keep the vowel short. So S-I-O-N says shun. So we've got an example with mission. So the it is a short vowel sound, so we're doubling the S to keep the vowel short. It also works with obsession. You've got a short vowel sound there, so you're doubling the S after it. So in this section you have to write the meaning of these words. We talked about them yesterday on the day one video, so if you're not sure of any of them, go back to the day one video and listen to the explanations again. Fill in the gap with the missing list word. That's going to prove to your teacher that you know the meanings of the words. Then down the bottom, complete the expression using the list words above, and then define it. So a lie by, a man honour, and the line of So you've got to work out what each of those common expressions mean. In this section here, you're going to change the list word back into a verb. So we're going to change it from a noun to a verb, so you're going to take it back to its base word. Then here you're going to fill in the gap with the list word in the verb form in the correct tense. So you've got your verb forms coming through here. You're going to have to work out whether you add an S, an ing, an ed, or a will before the word for future tense to each of these sentences. so that you're using the verb in its correct form. So combined with a list word, these are common word pairs that you'll commonly hear or use. Plurals, nice easy plural activity for you today. You know, plural means more than one of the noun that we're talking about. And use all three list words in a sentence, so that's going to test your ability to be able to get three quite different words into one sentence. You've got 2 examples to complete.